What is a minimalist wardrobe?
A minimalist wardrobe means owning fewer but more versatile and high-quality clothing items. The aim is to simplify your daily choices, reduce clutter, and ensure you always have something you truly enjoy wearing. Minimalism doesn't mean sacrificing style. It's about being intentional and practical, focusing on what you really need and love.
Assess your clothing needs.
Start by considering your daily activities, job requirements, and personal style. Make a list of core pieces you rely on most, like jeans, shirts, and jackets. Think about the climate you live in and any special occasions you regularly attend. Identifying these needs helps you create a wardrobe that's functional as well as stylish.
Declutter and select essentials.
Lay out all your clothes and sort them into categories: keep, donate, or unsure. Keep items you wear regularly and feel comfortable in. Let go of duplicates, damaged clothing, and pieces that no longer fit your style. This process narrows your wardrobe down to what truly serves you, making space for practical essentials.
Choose versatile pieces.
Focus on neutral colors and classic styles that mix and match easily. Choose quality fabrics over quantity and prioritize fit and comfort. Items like a tailored blazer, white shirt, and black pants can be dressed up or down. Having versatile clothing means more outfit options with fewer pieces, helping you get the most from your wardrobe.
Organize and maintain.
Arrange your clothes so everything is visible and easy to access. Consider seasonal rotations if needed. Regularly review your wardrobe, donating items you no longer need. Care for each piece to extend its lifespan. Follow washing instructions and make minor repairs as needed. A well-maintained wardrobe keeps your closet efficient and stress-free.